What if I tell you that filtration and flushing are not the same, and using them incorrectly could be costing your plant reliability? Flushing is a short-term, high-velocity process used during commissioning or maintenance to remove sludge, welding particles, and heavy contaminants from pipelines and tanks. Advanced systems like Minimac's lube oil flushing units use controlled turbulence, high flow rates, and high dirt holding capacity filters to ensure deep internal cleaning before startup. Filtration, on the other hand, is continuous. Minimac's offline filtration systems operate alongside running equipment to remove fine particles, moisture, and oil degradation products. These systems capture even micron-level contaminants, helping achieve better oil cleanliness, improved efficiency, and longer equipment life. If you only flush and don't control contamination continuously, the system gets contaminated again within days. That's why flushing is a one-time cleaning activity, while filtration is a long-term contamination control strategy. Don't choose between flushing and filtration. Use both strategically to keep your system clean from startup to operation. Want reliability and less downtime? Trust Minimac for both. Want to improve your system reliability and oil life? Visit our website to learn more.